we opened the conference with a very challenging topic, machine learning acceleration. And we invited our first keynote speaker, Professor Helen Li from Duke University, and she introduced her research done on machine learning, algorithm and hardware-software co-design, especially acceleration on machine learning on hardware.
Essentially, machine learning or AIs and trying to realize the cognitive functions or intelligence of the humans. But so far, it's within very limited extent. So we tend to mimic the structure, physical levels, and the function at algorithm levels. And the approach in our group is trying to bridge the software and hardware, basically bridge the logic and the physical levels together.
Nice location. I really love Budapest.